Hello, welcome back guys to Sport Area channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to activate a wake screen notification on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button below to support this channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, here you just have to open the setting application first, and after in this page you just have to go to this home and lock screen options. Tap on it. Now pick the lock screen option. And after here, you just have to scroll it down again. We'll see here an option wake screen for notification. To activate it, you just have to tap on the button beside it. And now I'm gonna tap on it and it's activated, yeah guys. So when the screen phone is off and you get a new notification, the screen will automatically wake, yeah guys. So I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.